Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shaw Sir Classes Igniting a Passion for Learning. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10, SSLC and CBSE Insert Maths. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to the new chapter, the Introduction to Trigonometry, that is Chapter 11 from your textbook of Class 10 Karnataka Board and Chapter 8 CBSE Board. In my previous video, I have completed the basics of trigonometry and how to remember the important formulas of the full chapter. If you have not watched this video, do find the link in the description box given below. So before we begin the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon and to get the latest updates of my videos. Let us begin with the new chapter, Introduction to Trigonometry. See here students, we are solving example number 1. Given tan A is equals to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios of the angle A. So in this problem, first we need to understand the basic things. Okay, हमारे को इस प्रॉब्लम के अंदर तो बेसिक कंडीशंस को हमारे को देखना है. So basic condition क्या है? That is tan A is equals to 4 by 3. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? tan A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 4 by 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Next, what is asking? He is asking us to find the other trigonometric ratios. Other trigonometric ratios they are asking us to calculate. And here you can see, you may have noticed here something as written as of angle A. Okay, see children. So these are the three things which you need to identify. See children, whenever they have written like tan A or tan theta, so this what does it mean? See children, this A is nothing but this is the name of the acute angle. This is the name of the acute angle. If theta if they have given, that is also the name of the acute angle. Now I will show you how to solve this problem in an easiest way. That is solution. So first what you should do is, children, for each and every problem you are supposed to use the same condition. Okay, हमारे को हर प्रॉब्लम, जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स अब हमें जो भी सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं, सब प्रॉब्लम्स में यही लॉजिक को यूज करना है. गॉट इट? दैट इज tan A is equals to 4 by 3. Now sir, what is this 4 by 3? We don't know. So first what you should do is, you need to assume the diagram. That is right angle triangle, right? So this is my right angle triangle. Okay, and this is my acute angle. Can you see this? Whenever you see these two perpendicular lines, that is called as right angle. जब भी हम ये दो स्ट्रेट लाइंस को ड्रॉ करेंगे, हम उसको बोलते हैं कि राइट एंगल. ये जो भी कर्व से जो ड्रॉ करेंगे, दैट इज लेस देन 90 डिग्री, दैट मीन्स दैट इज acute angle. Okay, now in this problem he has given this angle A or this A, this is acute angle. This is the name of the acute angle. Remember? So what is the name of the acute angle? That is A. If this is A, then this will be B and this one will be C. If you have watched my first video, I hope you may be knowing this, how to identify the three sides of the triangle. Which is 90 degree here? That is angle B. Angle B is 90 degree. Assume you are standing at angle B. Which side can you see? That is AC. If you are standing at angle B, which side you can see? That is AC. So I will call that side as hypotenuse. Assume you are standing at angle A. Which side can you see? That is BC. That's nothing but that is opposite side. And remaining side is adjacent side. Remaining side is adjacent side. So first you have to name the triangle like this. And then you are supposed to write, let it be anything, let they ask you to calculate. That is secondary. ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ in the same way. Got it? Now see children, what is this? That is sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Okay, and we are using the logic that is lal hamara kk, lal hamara kka. So this is the basic things what you have to write before you solve any problem. Now in this we need to identify what is this LKA. Okay, that is K means first you can see first letter here is adjacent, right? Children, this problem you can see here, in adjacent the first letter is A, right? In adjacent the first letter is A, okay, and hypotenuse means K, and opposite is L. See children, if you use sine, you have to write L by K. For cos, A by K, tan, L by A. Cosecant, K by L. Secant, K by A. Cot, A by L. Understood? Now here what is the question they have asked us to calculate? Find the other trigonometric ratios. That is, first we have to find sine A, right? So what is sine A? What is sine? Can you see here children, what is sine? Sine is L by K, correct? Sine is L by K. What is L? L is opposite. What is K? K is hypotenuse. So in the triangle, in the given triangle, what is opposite? Sir, we don't know. What is hypotenuse? Sir, we don't know, right? Very good children. No problem. I'll tell you how to solve that. See children, here you can see tan A, tan, right? So what is the logic to remember tan? That is L by A. Tan means L by A. What is L? L is opposite. What is A? A is adjacent. Are you getting children? So here you have to write the values. What is opposite side? Opposite is 4 and adjacent side is 3. Sir, what is hypotenuse? We don't know. So first we have to calculate this side. See children, whichever you are finding, so please keep it inside the box. आपको जो भी साइड फाइंड करना है उसको बॉक्स डाल दीजिए. क्यों बोले तो अगर से आप पहले सॉल्व कर दिए, if you write this 3 and this 4 and sum this number, and later on when you are doing the revision, then you will get confused. All three values we know, then why did we find this? Understood? ನೀವು ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, जो भी वैल्यू आप फाइंड करने जा रहे हैं, ओके, उसको आप बॉक्स डाल दीजिए. इट मीन्स आई डोंट नो हाइपोटेन्यूज. हियर वी डोंट नो hypotenuse. So what we do here is, first we find the unknown side. Remember, condition number 1, you should know all the formulas. Next, step number 2, you should know all the three sides of the triangle. Then only you have to start solving the problem. You should know all the three sides and you should know all the formulas. So these are the two basic things before you solve any problem related to trigonometry. Understood? So what is Pythagoras says? Square on the hypotenuse. So which is the hypotenuse side? Which is the hypotenuse side? That is AC. So we write here, that is AC square. Square on the hypotenuse. This is Pythagoras statement. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Sum means addition. Squares on the other two sides. So which are the other two sides are there? That is BC square plus AB square. Got it children? That is, in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse, this is my hypotenuse side, you have to square this side, plus these are the two sides are left out, that is opposite and adjacent. These two sides you have to square and you should add. That is called as Pythagoras. Got it? That is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, or BC square plus AC square. Now what is AC? We don't know. So keep that as it is. AC square is equals to BC. What is the value of BC children here? You can see 4. Yes, that is 4 square. Plus AB. What is the value of AB side? That is 3. Then we write here 3 square. Now we can write here as AC square is equals to 4 square. 4 square is 16. 4 square means 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Now we can write here as AC square equals 16 plus 9. That is nothing but 25. But what we want here? We want AC. So what we should do is AC is equals to square come to the RHS side, it becomes square root. Remember, square come to the RHS side, it becomes square root. Square root of what? 25. Square root of 25. Then we can write here that AC is equals to, what is square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5 units. Right? Now we have got the, now we came to the conclusion that the side AC is how much? That is 5 units. The side AC is 5 units. I hope you have understood these steps. Right children? Very good. So I'll just take this above. Okay, good. Now let me start solving the problem. See children, again I am repeating, sin means L by K, cos means A by K, tan means L by A, cosecant means you have to go reverse of sin, because sin and cosecant are reciprocal, cos and secant are reciprocal, tan and cot are reciprocal. Sin means L by K, cosecant means K by L, cos means A by K, secant means K by A, tan means L by A, cot means A by L. Did you understood? Good. Now what we need to find? We need to find the values of first sin A. Understood? So sin A is equals to, sin means what? L by K. L means opposite, K means hypotenuse. Got it? Now in this, which is the opposite side? That is BC or CB, both are same. Hypotenuse is CA or AC, both are same. How much is BC? Can you tell me the value of BC? BC is 4 units. Understood? Plus AC, how much is AC? That is 5 units. So sin A is 4 by 5. And then coming back to cos A. What is cos? A by K. A means what? Adjacent. A means adjacent. K means hypotenuse. That is adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? How much is adjacent? Which is the adjacent side here children in this figure? Triangle ABC. That is AB. AB is adjacent by hypotenuse is AC. Then what is AB? AB value is 3 by and AC value is 5. That's nothing but 3 by 5. Got it? And similarly, coming back to the next step, we can see here. Now what we need to calculate children? We need to calculate tan A. Done? Yes. So tan A is equals to what? What is tan A children? Tan A is equals to, tan means, can you see here, L by A. L means opposite, A means adjacent. Got it? Now what is which is the opposite side in the triangle? Can you tell me which is the opposite side? That is BC. Done? And adjacent is AB. Got it? Now how much is BC? BC is 4 and AB is 3. That's nothing but 4 by 3. Understood children? So opposite is BC. Just now we have done, right? You can see here opposite is BC and adjacent is, opposite is BC and adjacent is AB. AB is 3 and BC is 4. Now we have got what did we get children? We have got the value of tan A. Got it? And then what we have to find? He is asking to find all the other trigonometric ratios. Already we have got tan, right? Okay. No need to find tan, except tan we have to find rest all 5. Got it? Then we want to find cosecant A. So cosec means what? Can you see here? Cosec means K by L. That is K means hypotenuse, L means opposite. You can see here hypotenuse is going up and opposite is coming down. That is what we called as reciprocal. Then what is hypotenuse here? Can you tell me? Hypotenuse is AC and opposite is BC. That is equals to 5 by 4. And then coming back to secant A. Next coming back to secant A. What is secant? Can you tell me what is secant? Can you see here? K by A. That is hypotenuse by, K means hypotenuse, A means adjacent. Got it? Then what is hypotenuse? AC. Adjacent is AB. That is nothing but 5 by 3. And then coming back to cot A. What is cot A children? Cot means A by L. That is adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent? Can you tell me adjacent value? That is AB. Then what is opposite? What is opposite? Opposite side is BC. That's nothing but 3 by 4. I hope you have understood this class. Right children? Good. Now in our next session, in our next video, I'll be going to solve example number 2. So children, if you have liked this video, click the like button and share this video as much as possible with your all friends, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel Shaw Sir Classes. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Keep watching. Take care.